Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about sharing and why it's so important when it comes to friendship. So take out your lesson plans and follow along. As always, our first song is You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. Here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, let's go again. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, so our next song is called Why Should I Share? And it's to the tune of heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. So make sure that you follow along and learn why you should share. Why should I share my toys, share my toys? Why should I share my toys, share my toys? Because it's nice to be a friend sometimes. That's why you should share your toys, share your toys. Do you think that's a good reason? I do. Let's go again. Why should I share my toys, share my toys? Why should I share my toys, share my toys? Because it's nice to be a friend sometimes. That's why you should share your toys, share your toys. Okay, so our first book is called Crunch. It's all about this little fella and how he doesn't want to share his food. This is Crunch. Crunch likes his comfy bed, but most of all, he loves eating. Nom nom, yum yum, brr. He likes all the vegetables, huh? Crunch had everything he needed to be happy, but there was something missing from his life. Though he didn't know what. What do you think he's missing? I think he's missing a friend. Look, there's a little mouse. Hi, how's it going? My name is Cheddar. Oh, hello. I'm just having my breakfast, Crunch says. Breakfast? Wow. Are you having lunch and dinner too? Yes, I love eating. That's why I'm called Crunch. I bet you have enough food to share. But I don't think Crunch wants to share. Share my food with you? No way. My food is my food. Suppose I give you something in return. Like what? He's thinking more food. How about a hug? A friendly hug? How about a big friendly hug? No, I don't need a hug, and I won't share my food with you. He's grumpy. Crunch finished his fresh breakfast, but then he started to think about Cheddar. And not the food this time. I wonder where Cheddar the mouse is now, he thought. He looked so skinny and hungry. I'm sure he could have eaten all my food. I wonder if he has found any. He might be starving or in real danger. Oh no, I kept my food, but I lost a friend. I have to find Cheddar before it's too late, but I've never been outside my home. Cheddar, I'm coming. Anyone here? Hey, have you seen a mouse? Maybe here? Oh, this smells tasty. Cheddar, where are you? Oh, wow. Crunch discovered lots of new things, but not what he was looking for. I'm sorry, my friend. Sorry for what? Look, Cheddar's right there and he has a carrot. For not giving you a hug. Look at that, now they're sharing the food. And because he shared, they became friends. Okay, so next we have a poem and it's called Play Fair. And it's about how sharing makes you play fair and it helps you get friends. So if you really want to show a friend just how much you care, the easiest thing to do is to learn how to share. whether it's a toy or a book or your favorite pair of shoes. It doesn't really matter, just as long as you play fair. Okay, think about different things you could share with your friends or your family. So like, it doesn't even have to be a material thing, but you could share how your day went or something that makes you happy. So like, I'm sharing the story time with you. Okay, so let's say play fair one more time. If you really want to show a friend just how much you care, the easiest thing to do is to learn how to share. Whether it's a toy or a book or your favorite pair of shoes, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you play fair. So, as they always say, treat others as you'd like to be treated. Okay, so our next book is called Sadie and the Silver Shoes. And in this book, they share a pair of shoes, just like it said in the poem. Sadie had 3 brothers, Walter, Max, and Finn. When Walter's clothes were too small for him, they went to Max. When they were too small for Max, they went to Finn. And when they were too small for Finn, they went to Sadie. Sadie didn't mind, but some people did, like Annabelle at school. I used to wear hand-me-downs too. The only clothes Sadie got to pick were underwear and shoes. That's why Sadie loved shoes, new shoes. And one day, Sadie saw the most beautiful shoes ever. Sadie wore her new silver shoes everywhere. These are absolutely my most favorite shoes, she said. See how they sparkle in the sun? Her mom had even gotten them a bit big so they would last longer. Sadie put them on when they went for a picnic that weekend. They'll get dirty, said Mom. I'm going on an adventure, said Walter. Me too, said Max. Me too, said Finn. Yes, yes, let's go, said Sadie. It was a good adventure. Until, what do you think happened? Oh no! Sadie scrambled, Walter stumbled, Max slipped, and Finn fell in. They all got very wet. But they didn't catch the shoe. Look, it's with the fish now. It was swept down the creek like a shimmering silver fish. Maybe you should have worn old shoes today, said Mom. I know, shouted Sadie. I know that now. And she marched off in a very angry mood. What could Sadie do with her one left shoe? You could plant a flower in it, suggested Walter. Could it hold your pencils? Asked Max. Hang it from your window like a mobile, said Finn. Sadie loved her one shoe so much, she decided she would wear it anyway. Your shoes don't match, said Annabelle. I don't care, said Sadie. Look, there's the shoe floating down with the fish. At school, the teacher made an announcement. Next Monday, a new girl is coming. Sadie, would you like to show her around? What would the new girl be like? Sadie wondered. The new girl's name was Ellie. Sadie showed her around. But Ellie wasn't looking at the playground, or the library, or the cafeteria. Ellie was looking at Sadie's shoe. Was she going to say it didn't match? Was she going to go play with Annabelle? Why do you think she's staring at her shoe? I have a shoe like that, said Ellie. Really? Just one shoe? Said Sadie. Is it a right or a left shoe? I'm not sure, said Ellie. Come to my house after school and we can look. At Ellie's house, Sadie looked. She looked closer. Could it be? It wasn't as shiny, but it's the same shoe. This is my shoe, said Sadie. My other absolutely most favorite shoe. I found it at the beach near my old house, said Ellie. I thought it was a fish with shiny scales. Mom said that one shoe is useless, but I still kept it. They put the shoes together on the bed. I'm glad I did, said Ellie. Would you like it back? Sadie thought for a moment. Does it fit you? She asked. Yes, said Ellie. What do you think they're going to do? From that day on, Sadie and Ellie wore their most favorite shoes everywhere. Sometimes Sadie wore them, sometimes Ellie wore them, and sometimes they wore one shoe each. You see, they ended up sharing the pair of shoes because they both thought they were so pretty. I thought that was really unique and really special. And that ties in with our craft this week, which is a little shoe, and it has laces so you can practice tying your shoes. but also it's scratch art. So with the kit, you're going to have like a scratch art pencil, and when you scratch it, you're going to get shiny spots, just like the silver shoes. So you can make all kinds of really cool designs. And then I want you to share the shoe with a friend and show them why you think it's so special. Okay, so our last song is called Fun to Share, and it's to a tune of Farmer in the Dell. So it's like farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. It's so much fun to share, it's so much fun to share. I have a hat to share with a cat, it's so much fun to share. Remember our cat story time? Hats are not for cats, but they are for cats. I thought that was fun. So in this song, you're going to share a hat with a cat. Okay, let's start over. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. I have a hat to share with a cat. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. I have a log to share with a frog. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. I have a hat to share with a cat. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. It's so much fun to share. I have a log to share with a frog. It's so much fun to share. What else would be fun to share? A bone with a dog, a flower with your mom, a pair of shoes with your friend. So thank you so much for watching today's story time. I hope you enjoyed learning all about sharing, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.